Hello, good morning. How are you? Well, I'm bringing you a pronunciation challenge because after listening to your monologues, I realized that there are a few things that can easily be improved even if we're not in the classroom, which is pronunciation. I spotted some specific problems with schwa and with sentence stress because it's true that we may not usually practice this in class. So I think really in your own sweet time, in the quietness of your houses and on your own, it's something that we can do. So I propose the following. Please remember to do 2 pronunciation challenges that you have on Moodle. One of them is with simile in English, like you look as white as a sheet, which are brilliant for practicing sentence stress. And also another pronunciation challenge with individual words. I think they're very easy to see. Once you do them, all right, well, I think you are ready to practice these words. Okay, so I'm going to propose 2 challenges. You can record the following words and sentences on your mobile phone and send them over to me just as you do with the monologues so I can listen and check and see how you're doing. All right. I think the simple fact of you reading these sentences and these words is going to help you enormously. So, for example, the first challenge I propose is this one. Pronunciation challenge 1, individual words. So, record yourself saying these words. I'll say them first, but the idea is that you practice them as well. Our, affectionate. Please note where the stress goes and the ate ending, which is at. Affectionate. Power, not power, power. So you can imagine that the adjective is powerful, not powerful. Private. Age. Accurate. Careful with the stress. Accurate. Passionate. Image. Awful. Earth. Let me note something here. We already mentioned this in class, but just in case you don't remember, we don't usually pronounce the R. We don't say earth, earth, okay? In order to sound more natural, it's so much better to make the vowel longer. So you would do earth. For example, earth, resource, important, okay? And river. You say river, river. Okay, not river. Okay, so that would be 1. So you just read these words, you record them and send them over to me, and maybe in the same file, at the same time, you could do pronunciation number 2. And where you have to record yourself saying these sentences. Now, please note that you have plenty schwas here, no? Like, he's as stubborn as a mule. The as and the article are not pronounced as a complete vowel, no? In English, we would say, he's as stubborn as a mule. He's as stubborn as a mule. Remember, we did this in class several times. I'll do it again. He's as stubborn as a mule. We stress stubborn and mule. I'll read the other ones, but next you do that, all right? She's as white as a sheet. She's as white as a sheet. She's as white as a sheet. He's as deaf as a post. He's as deaf as a post. He's as deaf as a post. She's as blind as a bat. She's as blind as a bat. She's as blind as a bat. They're as good as gold. Tricky one. They're as good as gold. They're as good as gold. He's as thin as a rake. He's as thin as a rake. She's as quick as flash. All right, she's as quick as flash. Well, there you go. I hope you have fun reading these sentences. Don't forget to do the challenges first. And I'll be looking forward to listening to your schwas and your sentence stresses and all the rest. Cheers.